Hello all. Welcome to the webinar on Ease Your Adoption to New Normal. Embrace existing PeopleSoft HCM features. About the speakers, Senthil, Principal HCM Solution Consultant at Oracle, and I, AVP at Kovaion, will jointly take you through this webinar. The agenda of today's discussion is Oracle's investments in strategic customer enhancements, outline of existing PeopleSoft HCM features to help customers handle COVID post-COVID situations, key takeaways from this session, and Kovion's capabilities to implement new functionalities or upgrade existing to latest versions.
So on the strategic investments, Oracle has focused on the 4 critical themes on which all your updates and the enhancements would be there. One, it would be on the simplification and the modernization. When we say simplification, we wanted to ensure the product is made as simple as easier to access, which means the user experience would be made simple, and also on a modernized applications, the application would be accessible on mobiles, your iPads and laptops. Moreover, we are also coming up on the chatbots, on the AI and the machine learnings. Very recently we have delivered 3 chatbots on the HCM space, one on the absence companies directory, and also on the request and skill inventory. We would be seeing that as part of this session, the key chatbots that has been delivered. And second investment would be on the analytics part. No time and again, if you see that reporting would have been a critical requirement from the customer side and also from any product that you take. So Oracle PeopleSoft has gone ahead into this, and then they have ensured that they have released a new reporting tool by the name Kibana, wherein you would have the flexibility to do a trend analysis on the reports. With the enhanced search functionality that you have, elastic search functionality, it gives the flexibility to the user on generation of the reports based on the data that has been provided with the system. Next, also you would be on the cloud and the emerging technologies. Like most of our customers wanted to have their infrastructure hosted on cloud. Now Oracle has come out with OCI, wherein PeopleSoft can be hosted on cloud. We have also have few of our customers who have started moving on to the cloud infrastructure as well. Thereby, your infrastructure cost would be reduced when you have your PeopleSoft hosted on cloud. Finally, we also have the frameworks to eliminate customizations. Till date, what happened is, if you do any customization, and if at all there is an update that has come or a new functionality has been released, you need to rework on the customization that you have done. But with Oracle's latest release on the frameworks, Oracle has delivered certain frameworks like drop zones, fluid, and the page configurators, with which you would be able to just lift and shift your customizations, so thereby ensuring that you have very minimal work towards that. So the investments would continue to be on the 4 things, ensuring that your the modernized capabilities are there along with your chatbots, and also on your frameworks wherein the customizations would be eliminated.
About Kovaion. Kovaion is a business transformation and technology solutions partner. We are headquartered in UK and spread across USA and India. We are specialized and have expertise in different HCM, CRM, campus solution, finance, and application development technologies. Our experience talks about supporting 45 countries across 210 plus engagements along our service platforms. Our portfolio on PeopleSoft talks about our experience across different PeopleSoft applications and modules. With more than 10 plus years of experience in PeopleSoft landscape, we have executed numerous implementation, upgrade, and support engagements with customers in different segments like IT, ITES, staffing, automobile, BFSI, and education. This slide talks about some of the key HCM features that can help customers in this pandemic situation. Health and safety module necessitates every organization to establish health and safety policies and procedures to safeguard their employees. PeopleSoft HCM 9.2 has this delivered feature that will help organizations plan their COVID or post-COVID activities with no extra cost. This module helps in defining, recording, and tracking illness, injuries, and calamities. Tracking of illness and injuries can be made for employees and non-employees. Configuring this module will ensure lower risks to the employees returning back to work in a staggered manner. The next feature is the questionnaire framework. Many organizations use questionnaires in various ways to collect and analyze data from employees. This feature, introduced in HCM PUM 29, can be used to collect health, travel, or COVID-specific data from employees before planning to have them return to work. This feature will help employers screen employee data just before they expect them back at the workplace. Company property tracking. Most of us employees started connecting remotely since the pandemic early March 2020. Organizations had to dispatch company assets to employees for ensuring business continuity. PeopleSoft HCM 9.2 has this feature that tracks the assets given to the employees via the company property tracking feature. Using this feature would help in enhancing the administrative efficiency of the organization. To enable seamless percolation of information between HR team and the employees, HR notification framework and fluid announcement tile feature comes into play. It allows HR administrators to send out announcements or personalized emails to an individual or group of employees. The last feature we see is the checkpoint feature. In this situation of prolonged work from home for most of the teams, to ensure an eased performance appraisal, the mid-appraisal checkpoint feature would support. This feature provides an ability to track the progress or productivity of the employees by the managers. From the employee's perspective, it can help document concerns, challenges, progress made, and share the same with the manager. The next slide talks about the key enhancements and releases of Oracle PeopleSoft. We all know that Oracle PeopleSoft application can be tailor-built and it is necessitated to have a good lifecycle management. Oracle has provided ways and means to isolate customization. Oracle has also been encouraging the migration of PeopleSoft on-premise applications to OCI for the host of benefits. AI features like chatbots, Kibana have been released in the newer versions, and every release of People Tools and PUM. Key takeaways of the webinar. From the available HCM 9.2 features, it is evidently possible to manage change even during crisis and ensure increased awareness among employee and business. Some of these critical enhancements handhold us through that. It is easy to administer the well-being of the employee and facilitate employee productivity even while they are working remotely. Kovion's capabilities. Kovaion partners with customers to innovate Oracle PeopleSoft solution by offering services on UI implementation, selective adoption, and PeopleSoft on cloud. PUM35 instance on PeopleTools 858 is available for any customer demo with us. You may want to visit kovaion.com/blog for any informative webinar or blogs on PeopleSoft. For any queries, clarifications, and demo, reach out to us on peoplesoft@kovaion.com. Thank you.